So like we formatted text in our previous lesson, let's focus on formatting numbers in this video and make our numbers also look good and awesome. Okay, so let's come here. To format the numbers, obviously we will need to select the numbers here. Currently we are looking at numbers wherein some of them are in 2 decimal places, some have 3, right? Some have 1, some have even 4. So they are not consistent and obviously not looking good. So what we'll do is make them consistent, make them look good. So I've selected all the numbers in here, and to format the numbers, what we can do is we can come here and select these options. Okay, so we have some counting number format, percentage, comma style, etc. But if we click on this drop down here, we get much more options. Okay, so as of now, when you see that it is currently selected as general format, we can come here and click on say number. So now all our numbers are formatted in number format with 2 decimal places. Okay, so all the numbers are two decimal places. Suppose I come here, click, and if I get to check say random numbers, obviously, so if I click here 4.12, it shows as 4.12 here, but here in the formula bar we can see that the number actually is 4.123, which it exactly earlier it was. So the number is not changed, it is only changing the way it looks, so that it looks good, it looks awesome. Okay, let's move ahead. Now all these numbers are revenue numbers, right? And for revenues, obviously we want currency to come in. So let's come to this drop down here and we can see there is a formatting available which tells us it is a currency option here. So when we click on it, so it has changed the numbers to show as currency and it is giving the rupees symbol for us. Okay, but what about this one? Okay, this single row here should be formatted in dollar signs, not in rupee signs, because this is numbers in dollars, right? So we just select this row, come here, and we can just check. Okay, there is no dollar option here, dollar sign here. So what we need to do is we can come here, this button, number format, and this will give you a lot more options. Okay, so here we can see format cells tab, format cells option is open with number tab selected, and that currency is selected and symbol is selected as rupee. Now what we can do is we can change the symbol from here. Obviously there are a lot more options, but what we want is our dollar sign. So let me come here and select English United States dollar and click on OK. Now just for this row we have changed the sign from rupees to dollars. Okay, what else we can see here? We have short dates. Okay, dates we can format later. What we can look at is reducing the decimal places to 1 instead of 2. So again, select everything. Here we can see there are 2 buttons. Okay, one is decrease decimal and one is increase decimal. If I click on this button, we can see the decimal places have increased from 2 to 3 now. What we wanted is just 1 decimal place, so obviously we need to decrease. So I come here, click on this decrease decimal button once and once again, and we get the numbers in single decimal places. Now the numbers actually look good and better to read. And also there is one more option that I would like to show you for numbers. We use this currency option. Similar thing is done using this accounting one, but what accounting format does is it separates the symbol a bit far away from the numbers, so that it is easier to understand, easier to read. Again, I by mistakenly selected this and changed it to rupees. Let me go to number format again and change the symbol to English US dollars. Okay, so all the symbols appear to the left hand side of the cell, numbers are appearing to the right hand side of the cell, and all look good, look awesome and easy to read. Okay, so that is with numbering, so that is formatting numbers for you, and let's meet in our next video.